Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning backyard kitchen design ideas and tips for backyard kitchen design. Elevate your outdoor living experience. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The backyard has long been a cherished space for relaxation and recreation. But what if we told you it could be so much more? Enter the concept of the backyard kitchen, an extension of your indoor culinary domain that transforms your patio into an open-air oasis for entertaining and alfresco dining. A backyard kitchen is a dedicated outdoor space designed for cooking, prepping, and entertaining. It can range from a simple grill station to an elaborate setup with built-in appliances, cabinetry, and countertops. The key is to create a functional and stylish environment that seamlessly blends with your existing backyard and complements your indoor kitchen. There are numerous reasons why a backyard kitchen is a worthwhile investment. Here are just a few. First, expand your living space. A backyard kitchen effectively extends your home's usable square footage, creating a dedicated area for outdoor entertaining and cooking. Second, elevate your entertaining game. Host unforgettable gatherings with a dedicated space for grilling, preparing drinks, and socializing with guests. Third, enjoy the outdoors. Spend more time basking in the sunshine and fresh air while preparing delicious meals. Fourth, increase your home's value. A well-designed backyard kitchen can add significant value to your property, especially in warmer climates. Now that you're convinced of the benefits, let's delve into the exciting world of backyard kitchen design. Here are some key aspects to consider. First, define your needs and budget. Consider how you plan to use your backyard kitchen, casual meals, grand gatherings, and set a realistic budget for appliances, construction, and materials. Second, location. Choose a spot that offers easy access from your indoor kitchen, provides ample space for cooking and prep, and enjoys good sun exposure. Consider shade options for hot climates. Third, embrace the elements. Utilize weather-resistant materials like stainless steel, stone, and composite decking to ensure your kitchen endures the elements. Fourth, functionality is key. Plan your layout efficiently, ensuring easy access to appliances, storage, and prep areas. Fifth, don't forget the fun. Incorporate decorative elements like lighting, comfortable seating, and water features to create a truly inviting atmosphere. The specific items for your backyard kitchen will depend on your budget, cooking style, and desired functionality. However, some essentials include a high-quality grill or smoker, countertop space for food prep, a sink with running water, storage for utensils and cookware, seating for dining and socializing, and lighting for nighttime use. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 backyard kitchen design ideas to spark inspiration. 1. Built-in grill station. The heart of your backyard kitchen, with storage for grilling essentials and prep space nearby. 2. Refrigeration and storage. Keep beverages chilled and food prep ingredients close at hand with a built-in refrigerator or cooler. 3. Sinks and countertops. Facilitate cleanup and food prep with a dedicated sink and durable countertops. 4. Pizza oven. Craft gourmet pizzas outdoors with a wood-fired or gas-powered pizza oven. 5. Seating and dining area. Create a comfortable space for enjoying meals with family and friends. 6. Fire pit or outdoor fireplace. Add warmth and ambience for evening gatherings. 7. Lighting. Employ a combination of overhead and task lighting for both functionality and atmosphere. 8. Water feature. The soothing sound of a water feature adds a peaceful touch to your outdoor haven. 9. Vertical garden. Enhance your space with a living wall for a touch of greenery and natural beauty. 10. Retractable awning or pergola. Provide shade from the sun while still enjoying the outdoors. A backyard kitchen is more than just a grill, it's an investment in creating lasting memories with loved ones. By carefully planning your design and incorporating these tips, you can transform your backyard into an oasis for outdoor cooking, dining, and entertaining. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more backyard kitchen design inspiration and expert advice to bring your dream outdoor space to life. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.